Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, I am going to be doing a flip through of this book. You will not want to miss it. So if this sounds like something that interests you, please continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. I picked up this book. It was a Valentine's Day gift. So I ordered it from Kellofaplan. And it's the Family Life Basics. You've probably seen it. I know it's in her clearance section, so I'm sure that it will be going out of the door. But I picked it up for, I think, 40% off. So I was very happy to get that price because that is right up my alley. Now, let me explain to you why I picked this up, right? This is not a new book. You've seen it before. There's a matching planner. But what I've been trying to do, so I started in November, decorative planning, November of 2023. So I just had my 1-year anniversary not that long ago. And I felt like when I first started planning, I didn't know what to buy, right? I bought all the sticker books. I bought all the washi, all the pens, all the things I saw other people use. And of course, you know, I didn't have a problem spending it. But as we go into a new year, I want to make sure that I'm getting the bang for my buck, the best bang for my buck, making sure I'm spending my money wisely and making sure that when I get a sticker book, it is super functional for the things that I want to do. So that is my reason for showing this to you. I had another video like that a couple videos back. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. And it's basically another sticker book that gives you so many like options and spreads that you can make, you know, that you could just buy one book and do a lot with. And that's exactly what I plan on doing with this book. So even if you've seen it before, please don't click off the video. Keep watching. I might say something that like hits home with you. And this, while it's on sale, you might want to grab it. Okay. So this is the Family Life Basics by Kellofaplan. And it's just going to be a super quick flip through. And then I'll tell you exactly what I plan on doing with these stickers. So I love a good leopard print. When I was in high school, it was leopard everything. My room was like leopard rug, leopard print, bedding, clothing. Like I was leopard crazy. So this is actually super cute to me. I love that it does have some phrases here. It says, it's probably my age that tricks people into thinking I'm an adult. It turns out that being an adult is mostly Googling how to do stuff. So apparently I'm not an adult yet because that's all I do is Google stuff. So this one says, being an adult is mostly just going to bed when you don't want to and waking up when you don't want to. I'm done adulting. Coffee because adulting is hard. And this one says that horrifying moment when you're looking for an adult and then you realize that you are the adult. So you start looking for an adultier adult. So I thought these were super cute. And I have like a couple of dolls and a couple ideas that I want to, you know, use this for. All right, this next page is really cool. I love having all of the boxes and the dots that are in a Kellofaplan sticker book because I love how small these are. I like to use these in my mini, these in my mini. So I know that the planner that matches this is also on sale. I don't know if it's 30 or 40%, but because it's undated, you do have the dates, but you can also use these in other planners. So I tend to go for a Kellofaplan sticker books because I feel like it's the most functional for my life. All right, so 2 pages of that. And we got burgundies and, you know, mauves and grays and love that. You've got your greens and your pinks. You got 2 pages of that, and these are all on paper. More boxes here. And it will start to make sense. So these leopard or spotted, I don't know what you guys want to call it. I call it leopard print, no matter what the print is. These boxes go with that, right? All of the ones that I just showed you go with this first page. Then next, if I can get back to it, these stickers go with the next section. So you have, I kind of wish they were behind so that it made more sense, but we're here. So this section is on clear sticker paper and it's all cleaning. And I was really excited because I want to spring clean, of course. And now I can decorate my planner for spring cleaning. And yes, I get excited about the little things. Everyone hates to, well, I'm not going to say everyone hates to clean. I hate it, right? I will tear up a room and then sit there and look around like, oh my God, who's cleaning this mess up? Now I'm overwhelmed. Now I need a snack. Why I got a snack? Now I'm like, well, let me just watch one episode of this, or I find myself doing something different, right? So I want to make sure that I stay on track, pace myself. Yes, I'm laughing at myself. I want to pace myself and make sure I get everything done. So I'm super excited for these stickers. You have your iron, your gloves, toilet paper, your vacuum, washer machine, mop, broom, you name it. So you have 2 pages of those. And then, of course, like I said, you have the matching stickers. If you don't want to use these stickers, you can use it in a totally different spread. Now, this page I thought was super cool. It is made to fit the planner. But again, you do not have to have the planner. I'm not here to sell you on anything because I do not have the planner and I'm going to be putting it in my happy planner. You can take a plain piece of paper and label these and add some stickers and boom, you have a clean-in chart. So the top section says mop floors. And of course you have the pictures that go with the words. So you have mop floors, wash dishes, wash laundry, sweep floors, iron clothes, clean windows, cleaning day, fold laundry, clean your bathroom, vacuum floors, clean kitchen, clean bedroom, clean the den. And then these stickers here, you can write whatever you want. So I love that. This section right here is so cute. I love how small these boxes are. And then you have your checklist and you have some dots and it has food. You have strawberries. I know you guys probably can't see because it's very small. It's even small to me. But you have pizza, coffee. Looks like maybe a burger and maybe a hot dog or a sub or something down here. So you have these boxes. And then you have the food. Now, I'm going to be honest. These people are way too orange. Right? These are like reddish orange people. But I'm going to make it work. So you have all of your food. You have ice cream, croissants, tomatoes, blueberries, I don't know, popsicles, ice cream, gelato, whatever. So there's 2 pages of that. And then you have a lot of words for like sports and things like that. Basketball, football, hockey, bowling, baseballs. I am a lover of words. That's all I'm going to say. We got some things in the works, but just know I am a lover of words. I hate my handwriting, and if I could put a sticker for every single thing that I have, that is exactly what I would do. So with that, I will say stay tuned. But on this page, sorry, you have basketball, football, hockey, bowling, baseball, tennis, soccer, softball, swimming, volleyball, gymnastics. These are cheer, dance, piano, voice, band, and choir. Tournament, championship, playoffs, tournament, recitals, concerts, and then you have some words going up the side. You have stickers for these sports. These are on clear. Now we have boxes, so you know something funky's coming because look at all the colors and they're so bright and beautiful. And again, use these in your planner if you don't want to put them with the stickers. Here, this is more for school. If you have school-age kids, you have your first day of school, last day of school, class parties, parent-teacher conference, PTO meeting, dress-up days, no school, early release, practice. Because that planner itself is like family life basics. So it's about being able to organize your entire life, which is what we already do with our planners. But it was very specific to that planner. So I think these are really cool because we do have to, organize for our kids as well as, for ourselves. So then you have these, which I think are super cool. And I plan on using this for like a back to school spread. You have your crayons, you have, your apple, your globe and markers and stuff. And I just think this is just the cutest and it's kind of like watercolor. And these are also on clear. Here, I love this, y'all. When I tell you, I have been sitting here trying to, I'm gonna be honest, right? This is a vulnerable moment for myself. I want all the things. I want every sticker book. I want every sticker book from every release. Every time I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna buy something. Guess what I do? I buy it And then next week, there's another sale. And when someone has a release next week, I want all of the things, right? That is my personality, maybe, I don't know, addictive personality. But when I like stuff, I like it and I want it all. I have been wanting Kellofaplan's budget, like sticker book and planner, but I'm like, I really don't want to spend that for, budgeting. I already have budget pages in my happy planner. I know Live Love Posh just came out with like the budget planner, and I'm just like, I can't buy all the stuff. Like I'm trying to be more, I want to pay more attention to my finances. Not saying that I've been like balling out of control or anything like that, but I just want to get the best that I can get for the money that I'm spending. So I was very excited to see that this has the budget stickers in here as well. So these come in the colors that you're seeing. And this looks just like one of her other sticker books. But you have your house payment, rent payment, car payment, student loan, loan payment, credit card, internet, gas, electric, water, cell phone, insurance, groceries, childcare, medical bills, medicine, savings, entertainment, and sinking fund. So you have 2 pages of that. And guess what? The icons to go with it. And they're small, and I'm really happy about this because I am a mini girl. But you have all the icons to decorate, right? I keep saying we because I feel like y'all are like me. I mean, if I'm wrong, correct me, but I hate paying bills. We all hate paying bills, right? No one wants to pay a bill. But if I can decorate the page of paying bills, then maybe that'll motivate me to feel happy when I hit submit payment, right? Because normally we're like, ugh, we hate that. But like maybe we can find a little happiness in hitting the button because the page is pretty. So here we have like a car. We've got credit cards. We got a broken piggy bank. These are just so adorable. And I just loved it. And I wanted the sticker book, but I'm happy to have these pages all in one, right? So I got my cleaning. I've got school. I've got, our budget. Like, this is just really cool. Now, this is the part that I'm most excited about because I do have my weight loss goals for 2025, and your girl is already slacking, and I know I need to like buckle down and track it and just get on my grind. I've got some summer plans, and I'm really excited, and I want to look cute, right? Not saying I don't look cute, but I can look cuter. So that's how I feel. So these are super cute. These go with the, what was it? The paper pack that she released. I think I showed it in another video. So I'm excited to decorate those pages. So I'll do another video of just decorating it. But we have cardio, weight, cycling, strength training, running and walking. And then you guys can't see because I can barely see myself. These are squares. So there's a square here. There's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and some more, right? And I think in her planner, if I'm not mistaken, there's boxes that these go in. But I plan on using these as bullets without the planner. And then, of course, this page is paper. So you have fitness, weigh in, yoga, gym time, hydrate, workout, and don't quit. And then you have cute little stickers to go along with that. So here's your second page. Hang on a second. I just noticed something. Wait, this page really didn't have any boxes to go with it. Right, because it just went from budget. Okay, that's fine. But anyway, I think we've got, enough pink and purple and other books that I can try to make this work. And then you have bigger icons. So you have your watch, your weights, your tape measure, your smoothie, your protein bar, your yoga mat. I think that's just so cute. And then here you have just the letters, and it looks like these are all lowercase. So, of course, you can spell out anything you want, even if you're just making a tracking page. They're also a lot smaller, if you guys can see that, right here. Now, hold on. I'm trying to look. I guess what's confusing me is I'm seeing the alphabet, and then I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe that's a 0. And then more alphabet. Am I missing the fact that 6 through 9 isn't there? Okay. All right. Well, we'll make it work. Because is that a 9? That's a 9, right? O-P. No, that's a Q. Okay, forget it. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. We'll make it do what it do. And then the last page is clear paper. And I think it should be 2 of just the leopard print. Again, you have the pink, and of course you have the traditional, I guess, like black to decorate. So again, the reason I decided to show you guys this book is because I know for myself, I have a lot of things that I said I wanted to do in 2025, and I want to make sure that I actually do them. I want to decorate my pages. I want to be active in my planner. I want to daily check off things. That is very satisfying for me. And I want to make sure I hold myself accountable. So like I said, this sticker book gives me, you know, weight loss. You've got cleaning. You've got budgeting. What else was in here? You got the school. You've got, you know, leopard print. You got sayings. Like, I feel like this could be really cute, and it just speaks to me and my life. Maybe this may not be for you, but I definitely love it. And I love the price because it was in the clearance section. And I will always run to the clearance section of anywhere that I go before I start shopping full price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget, y'all know the drill. Come on over to Instagram. Come follow me. Hit that button and let's be friends. My name is Change of Plans with Angie over there, and let's be friends. Also over here, don't forget to like, comment, share this video with someone, and hit that button. If you've seen a video or two, there's no reason why you should not be a part of the friend group over here. So hit that button so we can be friends over here as well. And always, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.